Blood capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in the body, forming a vast network that connects arteries and veins. They play a crucial role in the exchange of oxygen, nutrients, and waste between the blood and tissues. Capillaries have thin walls consisting of a single layer of endothelial cells, which allows for efficient diffusion of substances. Types of capillaries. 1. Continuous capillaries found in muscles, skin, and the brain. Have tightly packed endothelial cells with small gaps for selective permeability. 2. Fenestrated capillaries found in kidneys, intestines, and endocrine glands. Have small porous fenestrations that allow for increased permeability. 3. Sinusoidal capillaries found in the liver, spleen, and bone marrow. Have large gaps that allow the passage of larger molecules and even cells. Functions of blood capillaries: gas exchange. Oxygen diffuses from the blood into tissues, while carbon dioxide moves into the blood for removal. Nutrient and waste exchange. Nutrients from food enter the bloodstream through capillaries, and metabolic waste products are transported away. Regulation of blood flow. Capillaries help regulate blood pressure by adjusting their diameter. Immune function. White blood cells can pass through capillaries to reach infection sites. Would you like more details on a specific aspect?